So I'm going to give you guys a brief explanation of one of the other options for this week's labs. It's called sound intensity. This one, the only really materials you need are a phone, a cell phone with access to the App Store. You go in the App Store and you're going to download an app that's called a sound level meter. There's a bunch of different ones. Pick whichever one you like. The one I'm using on Apple is called dB meter. And you're going to have to allow it access to your microphone. And what it's going to do is it's going to measure the sound intensity of whatever kind of sounds that the microphone is actually picking up. One thing it will say is when you start measuring the sounds on here, the number isn't going to go to 73 decibels and just stay there. You're going to see as the sound changes, it's going to kind of rise and fall. It's going to fluctuate kind of within a range. This one here, this app, this dB meter, tells you kind of the average sound intensity that it's actually picking up, and it kind of likens it to either traffic, quiet library, an alarm clock, whatever. So you're going to go to a bunch of different objects in your house, 10 of them, and I want you to repeat the same object a couple times. So one of them, let's use like a vacuum cleaner. Put this right next to the vacuum cleaner and see what sound it picks up. For example, I don't have a vacuum cleaner, but come on, over here. Come on, Bruni, let's go. So let's see. So Bruni, as Bruni walks across the table here, he registered around 81, 82 decibels. And that was literally right at Bruni's speaker here. If you don't know who Bruni is, this is Bruni. And he is the fire lizard in Frozen 2, which sort of breaks the laws of thermodynamics. We're going to use this Bruni for the sound unit, and this Bruni will be used later when we talk about light. Why? Because this Bruni, he lights up. It might be hard to see with all the lights. But that's the overall gist of this lab. It's, again, all of these aren't meant to take you a very, very long period of time, because I know you have work from other classes and your college classes that you're trying to balance. But it's something that gets you off the screen. The assignment is all in the Making Waves assignment. That's in the classwork section of Google Classroom, and it's submitted straight into there. If you want to do any pictures or anything of you doing the assignment, feel free to upload those into the assignment, or just send them to me directly via email. Alright, that's it. Have fun.